happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happiest birthday to our dearest and lovely and generous founder. Thank you for being with us through ups and downs. Thank you for guiding us, for loving us as your family here in EJ Agency. We wish you a beautiful, a blessed full birthday celebration. Enjoy your day, and we are glad and grateful for your life, for being part of the ministry, for guiding us through the Christ. We walk with God. Amen and amen. May God bless you and give you the desire of your heart, and also with your partner to Sir Ted. We are blessed for having you both in our life. So happy birthday, founder. We love you so much. Mahal na mahal ka ng EJ Agency. Hi and bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po. Thank you so much for your life. Thank you po, at kayo po ang naging instrumento ni Lord para kami po ay mapalapit sa Kanya. Thank you din po, at naging part ako ng inyong management. Maraming salamat, at kayo po ang naging founder namin dito sa EJ Agency. More blessings to come po, more candles to blow, and more good health. Again po, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Founder Ma'am Emmy, wishing you have many more birthdays to come in your life. I'm so blessed na naging part ako sa agency mo, the AG Agency. Ikaw po ay isang inspirasyon po sa mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. Inspirasyon po naming lahat. Ipagpatuloy niyo po yung naumpisahan niyo pong pagtulong sa foundation. Pagtulong niyo po sa amin. Pagtulong niyo po sa mga tao pong naliligaw ng landas. Salamat po. Salamat po sa lahat po. Mga advice mo. Thank you so much, founder. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, founder. Sana po marami pa pong birthday ang dumating sa at blessing. At sana marami pa po kayo matulungan ng mga bata, at lalong-lalo na po sa inyong foundation na tinutulungan. Maraming salamat po, founder, sa pagbabahagi ng inyong salita ng Diyos sa amin. Maraming salamat din po, at nakapasok po ako sa EJ Agency. Hindi po ako nagsisisi na lumipat po ako ng agency, at sa inyo po ako nakasali ng agency. Muli, happy birthday po sa iyo, Madam Emmy o Founder Emmy. Sana po lagi pa po kayong gabayan ng ating Panginoon na may kapal. Marami pong salamat po ulit. Happy birthday, Ma'am Emmy.